The Audi A6 e-tron has just been presented, and according to official releases, the new zero-emission model will offer enviable numbers in terms of performance, autonomy, efficiency, and charging. So for the nostalgic, let's see how it compares to the previous A6 model from 2023, which will be replaced by the new A6 e-tron. As for the exterior design, the Audi A6 2023 has kept as much possible a classic and elegant look, characterized by flowing lines and an aerodynamic profile. The large Audi-specific front grille with matrix LED headlights adds an extra touch of sophistication, while details such as chrome and elongated taillights complete the overall picture. The 2023 model was available in sedan and Avant versions. On the other hand, the Audi A6 e-tron 2025 adopts a futuristic design, being offered in two body types, Sportback and Avant. Up front, the closed front grille, specific to electric vehicles, and separate digital LED headlights contribute to the car's modern appearance. Compared to the 2023 model, the rear of the new A6 stands out with its continuous three-dimensional light band, which gives it clarity and sportiness. The technology used also redefines the standards in terms of personalization options, with the 8 digital light signatures of the daytime running lights and with the digital OLED 2.0 rear light blocks. Inside, the Audi A6 C8 2023 offers a luxurious look with high-quality materials and integrates advanced technology through the MMI touch response system and the Audi virtual cockpit. The generous space for passengers and the roomy trunk are also strong points. In contrast, the Audi A6 e-tron 2025 focuses on a futuristic interior with a strong focus on sustainability and the use of recycled materials. The panoramic MMI display with curved design and OLED technology is composed of two screens, one 11.9 inches for the onboard instruments and the other 14.5 inches for the infotainment system, but also a third display, 10.9 inch, which is located on the passenger side. What's more, the optional panoramic glass roof and the smart glass of the panoramic roof reduce the intensity of direct sunlight and become opaque at the push of a button. As for the engines, the Audi A6 2023 came with a varied engine of mild hybrid versions, as well as plug-in hybrid for increased efficiency. The available engines from 2 liters to V6 version that develops 340 horsepower. Instead, the 2025 A6 Sportback and Avant models are built on the new PPE platform and use an electric motor mount on the rear axle, which develops 367 horsepower and allows acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.4 seconds. It also offers an impressive range of up to 756 kilometers. All versions of the Audi A6 e-tron receive a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, and later an 83 kilowatt-hour battery will also be offered. As we move towards an increasingly electric future, the comparison between the 2023 Audi A6 C8 and the new 2025 Audi A6 e-tron gives us a fascinating look at the evolution of automobiles. The A6 e-tron not only redefines performance and efficiency, but also opens up new horizons in terms of design and technology. What do you think about the new Audi A6 e-tron model? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell to stay up to date with the latest car comparisons and news.